Okay, today we're going to attempt to solder two pieces of copper pipe together using my little HHO generator. I'm going to set the camera down, hopefully get that in good view. What I'm going to do is pull the pipes apart and put some flux on here. Stick it back in. I'll take the fuse, put it in the generator to start it. We got the fuse in there. You can see we're making hydrogen. Stick that back down. And we'll light the torch. Heat this joint up. Good and warm. Come on. Oh, that's kind of messy. It's supposed to go a little bit better than this. However, yeah, pretty ugly, but nevertheless, quench that. There you have it.